Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see an important scholarship sponsored by AICT on the name AICT Pragati Scholarship for the year 2021 and year 2022 for the first year girl student to do technical diploma or degree course. So this is a good opportunity is there for the girl student who are taken admission in diploma and degree of engineering college. For them, AICT Pragati scholarship is been sponsored, and it is the last date for this scholarship is 30th November 2021. I am Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI is Pune College of Art, Science and Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India. It is affiliated to Savitri Bai Phule Pune University, that is SPPU Pune, and formally it is known as University of Pune. This is a very good scholarship opportunity for the girls who has taken admission in first year diploma and engineering degree, and this particular material have been taken from the Buddy for Study scholarship portal. AICT Pragati has tied with the Buddy for Study for making the awareness, and all the material will be there, and they have to apply through the Buddy for Study scholarship portal to this AICT scholarship program. Now, first we'll see about this particular scholarship. The AICT Pragati scholarship is there for the girls. It is an initiative for girl students in the first year of our technical diploma and degree. Remember now, this is a technical diploma and degree course for the batch 2021 and 2022. It is an initiative approved of AICT institutes. It is only approved for those engineering colleges or diploma which has approved by AICT. Remember the students, it is only for the diploma or degree college which has been approved by AICT. If it is not approved, you are not eligible for this AICT Pragati scholarship. The students who are already availing this scholarship can apply for renewal. Yes, those who are already taken in the first year, they can go for renewal for the second year. The scholarship scheme is aimed to empower young girls with the knowledge, skills, and self-confidence so that they can contribute to the development process. A total 5,000 girl students will be awarded up to rupees 50,000 per annum for every year, and the other benefits. So this is a very good opportunity for the girls which are there. Now see the eligibility criteria for this scholarship. To be eligible, an applicant must be a girl student, be pursuing a technical degree or diploma in the first year or second year through the lateral entry only. Means those who are from the diploma directly gone to the engineering college second year. So that the second year, or those who are directly gone from 12th directly go to the engineering, for them this is the good scholarship is there on the basis of the percentage of the mark obtained in the 12th standard or diploma. Yes, those who are gone from the diploma, the final year marks will be counted. The have a family income less than 8 lakh rupees. Very good. Earlier one 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 4 lakh will be given for the various scholarship, but in this particularly, AICT has been asked those students who has less than 8 lakh rupees. Up to 2 girls per family are eligible for this particular scholarship. A total 5,000 girls are awarded this scholarship every year. Selected student will receive rupees 50,000 per annum every year for study as a lump sum amount towards the payment of college fee, purchase of computers, books, stationery, equipment, software, etc. No other additional grant will be available, payable in line of hostel charges or medical charges. For the hostel charges and medical charges, this scholarship is not going to give you the money. The mark sheet of 10th standard and 20th standard is applicable. They have to compulsorily uploaded annual family income certificate for the previous year in the prescribed format issued by the officials not below the rank of Tahsildar. So you have to take the Tahsildar's, that is the magistrate's certificate. Admission letter for getting admission in a degree or diploma course issued by the Director of Technical Education. Certificate issued by the director, principal, head of the institute. Fee receipt of the tuition fee. Then the bank account passbook seeded with the Aadhaar card indicating applicant's photograph, account number, and IFSC code. Caste certificate, if the student is having a caste certificate applicable for SC, ST, and OBC candidates. Aadhaar card, duly signed declaration by the parents confirming the accuracy of the information provided in the application form. How you can apply in this particular scholarship? Those eligible students who are there, they have to go to this scholarship portal www.buddyforstudy.com. This is a website. They have to go on that website and check it out. AICT Pragati Scholarship for the girls 2021 and 2022. And there on that, once you open this particular scholarship, there is apply now button is there. Click that apply button, read carefully the whatever the undertaking which are the form which are given, read out carefully, continue, select the state of domicile, scholarship category, post matric scheme, type scholarship, gender, write the application name, date birth, mobile number, email IDs, provide the bank detail, bank name, IFSC code, then the account number, select Aadhaar or bank account number as identification detail and click on registration button. The mobile number will be verified and OTP will be generated. Now log on to the OTP, we will fill the form and application ID and password will be generated and use that for further what we have the communication. Very important note, all the participants are advised to fill the form correctly. No changes can be made once submitted. The applicants are advised to fill in only one application, as multiple application leads to the cancellation of the form. So be careful. The selection of the candidates will be carried out solely on the basis of the merit of qualifying examination. Application will be invited once in a year through the National Scholarship Portal of Government of India. If a scholarship fail, drop out in a subsequent, she will not eligible for further scholarship. So you have to pass every year. If both CGPA and total marks are given in the mark sheet, and total marks will be considered for the determine the percentage. The grant of the scholarship is subject to the condition of the student does not receive any financial assistance in the shape of scholarship or any emoluments, salary, stipend, etc. Only verified online application will be considered for the award of scholarship. And if you want to contact All India Council for Technical Education, Nelson Mandela Mark, Vasant Kunj, New Delhi 110070, New Delhi 110070, and phone number is 01129581000. All this information I will give you in the description. Those who are interested, they can go and check it out in the description. And whatever the scholarship which are there for the girls, I have already, for the engineering and diploma, many scholarships are there. I have been uploaded on my channel. Those who are interested, they can go and check it out. The folder of diploma or IT and the similar one, the degree engineering one. And if you want to write the email, you can write down Pragati Saksham at aict-india.org. And now those scholarships which has been already uploaded, now I have been given here the details which are there. The Siemens Scholarship Program Empowering the Future 2021 link is given, timing is given, the video timing is there. Keep India Smiling Foundation Scholarship Program for the engineering course. The link is given, time is given. Baba Gurbachan Singh Scholarship for Diploma and Degree. Link is given, time is given. Indian Oil Scholarship for the 2021 for the 11th ITI Engineering MBBS and MBA course. Link is given, time is given. Rolls Royce Unity Scholarship for Women Engineering students. Link is given and the time is given. Then Piaggio Scholarship for non-technical undergraduate medical and engineering courses. Link is given and time is given. Dr. Abul Kalam Scholarship for the medical and engineering aspirants. Santur Women Scholarship for engineering. Pragati Scholarship for scheme for the girl student. Then L'Oreal India for young women in science scholarship. DXC Progressive Mind Scholarship for engineering course 2020-21. Then Credit Suisse Scholarship for engineering students. COVID Crisis Support Scholarship 2021. HDFC Bank Parivarta's COVID Crisis Support Scholarship for the 2021 for UG and PG students. Sitaram Jindal Scholarship 2021, 11th standard to all PG courses, professional and non-professional. IET India Scholarship Award 2021. EdSil Scholarship Scheme for BE and BTech student 2021. ONG Scholarship for General Category students 2021, that is engineering is there. Then ONGC Scholarship for Meritorious OBC student, UG, PG students for engineering. The Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shulk Shiksha Suvrutti Yojana 2021. Maharashtra State Minority Scholarship for Higher Professional and Technical Student 2021. Timken Scholarship for BE and BTech Student 2021 and 2022. Cadence Scholarship for undergraduate and PG courses, BTech, MBBS, BDS and Hotel Management. Merit Scholarship for ST, OBC, minority students pursuing professional and technical courses 2021. Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shikshan Shulk Shishravurti Yojana 2021. Medley Pharma Scholarship 2021. 11, 12, graduation, diploma, post graduation, ITI, MBA. So here there will be a 1 lakh interest-free loan for up to 5 years. They have to pay the amount after the joining the job within the next 5 years. And similarly, they can apply for 10,000 scholarship also. Then Schaeffler India Hope Engineering Scholarship 2021. Merck India Charitable Trust Scholarship Program 2021 for pursue higher education. Then Schindler Igniting Minds assigned scholarship for the BE BTech 2021 and 2022. Neelam Patel Bausurat Foundation Scholarship 2021 for hearing impaired HSC and above students. Then Kotak Kanya Scholarship 2021 for engineering, medical, architect, designing, CA, CS, CFA, CWA, LLB. Then Linggrand Scholarship 2021 and 2022 for girl students to pursue engineering and architect. So these are the scholarships. I have already made the videos and I uploaded on my channel. Those students who are interested, they are searching for the scholarship. This is the opportunity. They can go and check it out on my channel and apply for the scholarship. You are eligible, then it is well and good. Apply for the scholarship. If you are not eligible, then pass on this scholarship to your close friend, close family member, so that anyone can apply for this scholarship. I hope this is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.